Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a post shareable on Facebook step by step. So let's get started. Open your Facebook account and go to your home page or feed. Click on what's on your mind to start a new post. Type your message or upload any photo or video you want to share. Just below your name, you'll see a small privacy icon. Tap on it and choose public from the list. You'll also see other options like friends accept, specific friends, only me, and custom. If your post is set to friends or a limited audience, others can't share it publicly. But to make your post shareable, choose public. Click done, and after finishing it, hit the post button, and you are done. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.